A leader is under pressure is this. They start talking really fast and faster. And the problem is, most people think speed sounds confident. It doesn't. It sounds like your nervous system just grabbed a hold of the microphone. When your pace speeds up, your authority drops. Your audience has to work harder. And the harder they have to work, the less they trust what they are hearing. So here's the fix. Don't try to calm down. Try to land the first sentence. Before you speak, breathe out. Then say your first line 10% slower than what feels natural. That one adjustment tells your body, I'm not being chased. And when your body believes that, your voice gets better. Your brain gets clearer. And people listen differently. Pressure doesn't always make leaders freeze. Sometimes it makes them rush. Don't let speed steal your presence.